Yeah, make anybody no vex. So, but if you want vex, you are free. Why is it that when you go for Yoruba party, then go take care of you? They go if you see the meat where they do for their food. If you see the meat where they do for their food, they go give you variety. They go give you food. They go give you drink. They will take care of you. God come bless you if you wear a shoebi. Hey God, you go collect souvenir, you go tire. That's why if I dey go party, Yoruba party, if you no give me souvenir, I waste your time because me someone won't collect souvenir. Then go take care of you. I say I don't go to Yoruba party where then give Milo. When rain begin for, then give Milo and tea and bread. Make we first you step down before we come begin eat. And me, I sabi eat for party well. I know they pose for party. So what they talk be say for Yoruba party, they go take care of you, give you food. But if you can't go my people party, they go they look face what they'll give you food. And the meat what they'll give you for that party, it go be like a Maggie cube. If you want collect food, the way they're going to look you like, say you come beg food. If you like, where the highest that should be, they're not going to even send you. The only thing when they're going to feed you for on a table, they're going to carry all sorts of drinks so nobody they open, put for the table. Why do they do like that? Then if you don't give them souvenir, if you don't give them gift, they don't give you souvenir. Yoruba party, you carry gift go, you know carry gift go, they will give you souvenir. They will give you souvenirs. Our own before they will give you. So their mama friend go first look you. If you know be maybe her group of maybe you know wear their uniform. Maybe you wear the other side uniform. Where they go take attend to you. The other side go they look you like say you can't thief or you can't beg them food. I know they like all those kind of things. So that's why I make up my mind. If you give me IV for Igbo people party, I no go. Them my people. Them my people. If I dey do any party, I dey do a Yoruba style because they go see no except you won't lie to yourself here. You go Yoruba party, you no go belleful. You go belleful carry well that's something they sing oh jay yo oh abi Oma Tundi Lole or something like that. That's for Yoruba party at the Siam. For my people own. Then go first look you like say you can't thief. Then when they want ready to give you food, then go they serve you food like say you be small picking. That's how big like this. Wanna not try me oh. Because not if I come on a party, una must give me enough food variety. I go chop as I like. Because this full big body needs food to sustain it. I don't come your party, guard, go do makeup, go tie gele, come wear my clothes, then you can't give me small food. If you try am with me, if you try am, I will disgrace you and disgrace myself at that party. So take note. If you're inviting me for any party, especially if I wear on Ashwebi,